Hello everyone, welcome to Ayim Craft. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning this amazing and mind-blowing purse. It's super easy and beginner friendly. So this purse is having multiple pockets. As you can see, this is how the purse is going to look like at the end of the class. Please, if this is what you are looking for, sit back and watch this video to the end. It's not just a purse that you can just see and just start making. You have to watch the video from beginning to the end so that you get every bit of it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like and you're going to enjoy it. It is beginner friendly and super easy. Okay, this is brick we are using, which is measuring 5 inches by 9.5 inches. Okay, and it's 2 pieces that you need for this. So after getting it, you're going to mark out 1 by 1 inch, 1 by 1 inch, and you're going to curve it with any object with your hand, okay, to cut out the fabric, the edges, so you can see the results. So after doing this, you also need your lining, which is 6 pieces. As you can see, the lining is 6 pieces. Okay, after getting this one, you need this padded net, or if you can even use the lining, no problem, which is measuring 5.5 inches by 9 inches. You need 2 pieces. Okay, so after getting it, you're going to cut it out, marking 2 inches. Okay, marking 2 inches. This will enable you to sew your it, okay, to form a pocket. Okay, after marking it, you're going to cut it out. Okay, after cutting out, you now sew your zipper to it, good side of the zipper facing good side of the fabric. Okay, and you're going to stitch it straight. Cut out the excess zipper, then you and top stitch for a neat work. Okay, after top stitching, the result will be like this, and then you now carry out the other 2 inches that you cut out. You're going to place it good side facing good side, and then you now sew it and top stitch. Okay, after top stitching, the result will be this, as you can see for the two. Then you now insert your zip puller, and then you now carry out your one of the lining, then you place the good side facing wrong side of your padded net, then you now sew it round, then you now trim out the excess. Is for the 2 pad. Okay, after getting it, you now carry this your panel. If you have a logo or any decoration, you can insert it depending on the front one that you want. Then you now carry this your panel, and then you place that pocket that you sew, padded nets to form a pocket, then you sew it round. Okay, can you see the result? We have formed our first pockets already. So after getting this, you now need 5.5 inches by 8 inches. Okay, you also need 9.5 inches by 4 inches. Okay, it's 2 different types. Okay, after that, you just need your bias tape to tape the edges, as you can see me do. Please just follow it gradually. Okay, just follow it, don't be in a haste. So after sewing it, the result will be like this. Then you carry your lining again, you place it as shown. Can you see? For this one, leaving 1.5 inch, leaving 1.5 inch. Okay, then you now divide it, you now divide the nets at center, you divide it. Can you see? Then you now sew it as shown. Okay, after that, this very one, this is how you're going to place it. Can you see? Leaving 2.5 inches. Okay, then you're going to also stitch it as shown. Okay, so after stitching it, you just trim it out, and the result will be like this. Okay, after getting this part being done, you now carry the other lining and you place it wrong side to wrong side. Can you see? Wrong side to wrong side, then you stitch it straight all round. I mean, you stitch it round. Okay, you stitch it round. Okay, after all this part being done, you are now going to start sewing our gusset. So this one is measuring 8 inches by 1.5 inches, is 2 pieces. you need for it. Okay, after getting this, you will also need your lining, and you also need your zipper, your zip cloth, which is measuring, is two pieces that you need also, which is measuring 19 and quarter. That's two pieces, 19.4. Okay, then you insert your puller first, then you now go ahead and attach it as shown. Can you see how I'm doing it? Just follow it gradually. Okay, you attach it as shown, good side of the fabric facing good side of the zipper, then you stitch it. Can you see? So after stitching it, the result will be like this. Then you turn it over. Okay, then bringing the other part of your zipper to it, to this other part of the lining. Can you see what I'm doing? Just bring the other part of your zipper, the good side facing good side of your zipper, then the good side of the lining facing good side of your fabric. Can you see what I'm doing? So after arranging it like this very well, then you just go ahead and then stitch it again. So after stitching it, the result will be like this. Then you just turn it over. Okay, just turn it over, and then you now line it very well with the help of your hand. Then you just top stitch it all round. Okay, just top stitch it all round. It's very easy. It's very easy. A beginner can get this perfectly. Okay, so after top stitching it, the result will be like this. But you'll find out that this zipper is 1 inch zipper. There are zippers that are 1.5 inch. So if you have that type, no need, that type, I mean, no need for you to trim it. But if you are using this type, I will recommend you to trim it so that it will become the same length, the same level with your, the white should be the same thing with your zipper. Can you see? With your zipper cloth. So after that, you will now notch it. You now notch the centers. Find your centers and notch it as shown. Just look at the way I am notching mine. So please, I urge you to watch this video from beginning to the end, and you are going to like it. It's super easy. To my returning subscribers, you guys know how much I love you, and I wish you all the best. The best. I wish you all the best on this journey, that this 2025 will favor all of us. Okay, so please just be patient. And to my new subscribers and my new viewers, I love you guys. You also are doing a wonderful job. You also carry your panels plus the linings, and then you notch the centers as shown. Okay, just look at how the centers, I'm notching them. You do it for all the 2 panel and also the 2 lining that we've already sewn. Can you see? So after getting this part being done, it's now time for us to start sewing our bag together. So this one, I normally start with the front panel. Just look at how I am placing it. Good side to single side, then notch side to notch side. You remember I notch it 4 sides. Okay, even for the zipper I notch it the 4 side. So that one will enable you to know where and where to place it. Can you see? So after notching it, you just clip it, or you just go straight to your machine and just stitch those places first. Then this part, you can see, is not enough, it's not aligning, so I'll just notch it a little so that it can align and it will slip very well to the panel of my fabric, the zipper. Then you knot other side all round. But if your own is fitting, there is no problem, it depending on the inch that you use in sewing or the centimeter you use in sewing. So after that, you just go ahead and sew it as you can see me do. Okay, just be gentle, pay attention, and be detailed with your work to get it. Can you see? So you repeat the same thing to the other panel. Okay, you repeat the same thing to the other panel. So after getting this, I'm now going to bias it. Okay, I'll now bias it all round. I'll do the same thing to this other panel. Can you see the result? Okay, after getting this result being done, I'm now going to carry another set of this other panel this other set of fabric and lining, sorry guys. So look at the way I'm going to join it now. I'm going to join it. Can you see how I'm joining it? Can you see how I'm joining it? So just pay attention, okay? Just pay attention, notch side to notch side. Then I'll open up the zipper so that I can be able to join it. I can be able to align it very well, okay? So please just be patient and pay attention to what you are doing. You get it at the end of the project. So this is how you're going to do it. So to my returning viewers, those that have not subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Are you not enjoying my videos? Even though they are not the best, please just hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. In case I upload any new video, you'll be among the first that will see, okay, among those that will be notified. Please, if you like this tutorial, just give it a like and comment down below, okay? So after doing this, you now go ahead and then stitch it round, okay? In this part, please be gentle. Stitch it round with diligence so that you will not stitch the other side that is open already. Just stitch it round and be gentle. Don't be in a rush. So after stitching it, you now do it to the other panel. Remember, we are working on 2 panels, okay? Can you see? We are working on 2 panels, so always be patient and detailed with your work. Can you see that we've already formed about, how many pockets will I need? About 8 pockets already, if I'm not mistaken, okay? So we are now working on the center gusset. This is 13.5 inches zip that you need. Then you also need the up gusset, which is 13.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Is 2 pieces, okay, that you need for this one. So if you are working on a zipper that is having 1 inch, just go ahead and cut your own to be 1 inch so that you will not waste your fabric. Then you need the down gusset, which is 14.25 by 2.5, okay, it's just 1 plus the lining. So after that, you're going to insert your zipper, then you place it as shown, and good side of the fabric facing good side of the lining and the zipper. Then you stitch it straight as you can see me do. So after stitching it, you open it up, you align it very well, and then you go ahead and top stitch it. Please don't always forget your oil in case you are using a leather material, okay? So after doing that, you go ahead and repeat the same method to this other part, okay? You turn and top stitch, okay? After getting it, the result will be like this. Then you carry this your 2.5 and then place it as shown like this, okay? Just place it as shown like this. Then you mark it. Can you see how I'm marking it? So that everything will be uniform. You trim out or you cut out the excess that is not needed. Then can you see now is now equal. So you need this smaller one, which is 9 inches by 1 inch, okay? 9 inches by 1 inch is for my handle, okay? And look at where I'm going to use the handle, where the opening of the zip is. So I'm leaving 1 inch, okay, from the edge of the fabric, the front gusset, the up gusset. So I'm not going to sew it like this, I'm just showing you, but I'll go ahead and hem my handle. I'll go ahead and hem my handle as you can see me do, okay? Just give it a straight and a neat stitch, okay? Just give it a straight and a neat stitch before you now attach it. Can you see? So after attaching it, I'll now join my gusset together, the downside, lining to lining, fabric to fabric, good side of the lining facing good side of the fabric, and good side of the facing good side of the lining, and good side of the fabric facing good side of the fabric. Then you stitch it as shown. Can you see? So after stitching it, you open it up, then you now line it very well, and then stitch this other part, okay? Just top stitch here, then you go round and top stitch round, okay? You just top stitch it round. Then after that, you go ahead and look, find for you, find your midpoint. Find your midpoint. Okay, sorry guys, today is somehow. Just find your midpoint and then you notch it, just as you've notched your panel and the other gusset. Is very easy and beginner friendly. So after getting this, you're now going to attach or sew our gussets to our panels. Okay, we are now going to the end part of our sewing. So look at the way I am sewing mine. Okay, just pay attention. This zipper side to the zipper side, then this plain side that is not having zipper other side. Okay, this is how you're going to attach it. Notch side to notch side, good side facing good side. Is very easy, very easy and beginner friendly. Okay, then you arrange it very well, as you can see. Then you now sew it round, but I'm going to arrange mine the two sides together. Okay, I'm going to arrange mine the two sides together, but if you can't sew it together, first of all sew one. Okay, first of all sew one before you sew the other one. So to my returning subscribers and viewers, I'm sending you and kisses. I love you so much. Thank you so much. You are the backbone of this channel. So you can see how I'm sewing mine. But if you can't sew it like that, you just do it little by little. Then you now bias it round. So to my new subscribers and to my new viewers, you are all welcome. Please by subscribing in case you have. Turn on the notification bell, like this video and comment down below. So thank you very much. If you like this video, just please like. If you like it, just like and subscribe. Okay, comment down below. So we are done with our purse. It's now for us to open and see what we have so far. Can you see how beautiful this purse like? Can you see the pockets? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6. Can you see how it looks? It's about 6, or how I even call it. So you want it yourself. So it's very beautiful and beginner friendly. So thank you so very much for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class. Bye.